Minnie, do you know what is there in the space?
Yes, Nick, there are many stars and a moon, a sun. That's it.
But I think there are many, many, many more things there. I just want to go there.
I have a plan. Let's go together and search it out that what else resides there.
Hooray,
Yay!
hooray.
Look at there are many celestial bodies.
Okay, so I think we have to learn this in an elaborative form.
Planets which you see in night sky. So, what do you mean by celestial object? Celestial means heavenly or divine. Got it? Means whatever exists outside the earth atmosphere, means in the space, is known as celestial bodies. And these bodies are these bodies are such as sun, moon, planets, stars. Got it? They are visible at sky even at daytime, because we are able to see sun at daytime. Got it? What are some important facts? Some important facts are: Earth rotates from west to east on its axis, whereas we found sun to rotate from east to west. Means sun rise from east and set from west. Sun is stable, but earth and other planet rotates around it. Everything is moving in this universe except pole star, means that north star. Then what is star? Star are luminous objects seen as bright spots in the sky. Means those twinkling, twinkle, twinkle little star, how you wonder what you are. Those stars, those luminous bodies. These are small as well as big also. Means they are brighter, bigger and smaller. Nearest star is earth, sun. Got it? Nearest star is sun. And why sun appears like sun do not twinkle and other stars twinkle? Because other stars are present far away from our earth atmosphere. What about size of star? Some are smaller even than sun, and some are 1,000 times bigger than the size of sun, and the largest star is known as UY Scuti. Got it? So make sure, maybe I will put one MCQ question for you. So do it and let's see who will score more marks. So make sure this thing, the largest star is UY Scuti. So what about color and temperature of star? The color and temperature of star is based upon its, you can say, distance. Like farther the star is, more is the what? Temperature. As the hottest, means blue stars are the hottest stars, where temperature on the surface is to 28,000 degrees Celsius. But what about yellow stars? Yellow stars like sun have 6,000 degrees Celsius surface temperature, whereas red stars are cooler stars having surface temperature of 3,000 degrees Celsius. Make sure we are talking about surface temperature. Next is composition of stars. They are made up of rocky or gaseous forms. Got it? इसीलिए जब तारा टूटता है तो फिर अगर वो टूट करके जमीन मीन्स अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में आते आते अगर वो डिसॉल्व हो गया, अगर वो गायब हो गया तब तो ठीक है, बट अगर वो गिरता है कहीं तो वो वहां पे हैवी डिस्ट्रक्शन लाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज ओके, color and temperature. Look, blue and white color. If there is blue and white color, then its surface temperature is 12,000. And example is Rigel and Spica. If white, then 11,000 Vega. Again white, Sirius. 10,500. This you have to just go through it. Like these are examples of stars and these are surface temperature. You have to just go through it. No need to remember. 6,000 Kepler and 6,000 Sun. 4,200 orange stars, Arcturus. And what about red? Means 3,000 Antares and 2,200 Betelgeuse. Got it? Okay. So what next? Your next topic is very interesting, which is celestial distance. Means where these celestial bodies are present. How do we know? We know by a unit known as light year. Means the distance covered by a light in a year is known as, of course, light year. And light moves at a velocity of about 3 lakh. You can say 3 lakh kilometer each second. Astronomical unit में अगर हमको देखा जाए तो जो nearest star है, which is Proxima Centauri, it is 4.2 light year. तो अब इसका proper distance निकालिए. 4.2 into 3 lakh. Make sure do comment in the comment section. Ceres, the dog star, 8.6 light year, and center of galaxy is 30,000 light year. One more is there, Andromeda. Andromeda is our neighbor galaxy, so it is 2 million light year away. One more is the Orion. Orion is 1,400 light years away from us. Got it? Okay, what next? Next is this side star name and this side distance from Earth in light years. Proxima Centauri, again 4.2421. Just look at this. Like pause this video, look at these information and then move forward. Got it? Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri, Barnard Star, Wolf 359, Lalande 21185, Sirius, Luyten, and Ross 154 and Ross 248. What about next? Constellation. Constellation is just a group of stars that appear to form a pattern or picture. Like you know, जब भी क्या होता है कि बारिश का मौसम स्टार्ट होता है तो जो क्लाउड्स होते हैं वो कुछ ना कुछ पिक्चर्स फॉर्म करते हैं, हम उसको डिफाइन करते हैं. वैसे ही कॉन्स्टलेशन क्या करता है, कुछ ना कुछ एक पैटर्न देता है. ठीक है? एंड वी आर एबल टू इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज इट. सो फर्स्ट इज अर्सा मेजर. Beta Ursa Major is also known as Great Bear and it is most prominent constellation. अब इसका आप कब इसको वॉच कर सकते हो? During summers. Got it? In the early hours of night, means 8, 7:30 around this in north sky, because these stars align in north direction. It includes 7 stars. Look at here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars, also known as Saptarishi, and these 7 stars are arranged in a typical shape of ladle. कल्चुल सुना आपने? कल्चुल जिससे आप दाल वगैरह निकालते हैं उसको बोलते हैं लेडल. देखिए एकदम सेम उसी के. ये है इसका वो डीपेस्ट वो और ये है उसका हैंडल. ठीक है? इट इज नेम्ड एज अ ग्रेट बियर बिकॉज अगर हम इन स्टार्स को थोड़ा सा और जोड़ देंगे तो इट अपीयर्स लाइक अ ग्रेट बियर. ओके, सो लुक एट दिस. यहाँ पे हमने इन स्टार्स को और भी अच्छे से किया है तो दिस अपीयर्स लाइक अ ग्रेट बियर. The handle of the ladle is made by joining 3 stars, 1, 2 and 3 in a row, and remaining 4 stars in the shape of a bowl. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 and these 3. Got it? Okay. What are the significance of Saptarishi? Like why we found this Saptarishi? What is the significance? The major significance is that it was believed by 7 saints. According to the Indian mythology, these 7 saints are believed to preserve the knowledge of the Vedas that they propagate to people in every new age. means in these 7 stars they found that there is, knowledge of Vedas. Okay, next is how do you locate, मीन्स यहाँ पे पोल स्टार है एंड ये अर्सा मेजर है, आप इसको उर्सा मेजर को कैसे लोकेट करोगे? दिस इज मेजरली दे हैव 2 stars. फर्स्ट इज मिराक, सेकेंड वन इज दुबे. मिराक एंड दुबे. अब मिराक, दिस इज मिराक एंड दिस इज दुबे. जस्ट extend this imaginary line and you will get north star here. Got it? So and make sure, अगर आप इसको ढूंढने चाहोगे सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में तो क्या ये मिलेगा? नहीं, ये सिर्फ आपको मिलेगा किसमें? यस, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. Got it? कैसे मिलेगा? When you extend the imaginary line of Merak and Dubhe, means Ursa Major leads to identify the direction or the position of pole star. What about Ursa Minor? Ursa Minor is the smallest group of 7 stars. They also have 7 stars, but those are small stars. So there are few examples like Orion or Hunter. Look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars here. 7 or 8 you can say. But here you can able to find out another picture, which is of a hunter. It is one of the most magnificent constellation of the sky, comprises 7 or 8 bright stars, 3 stars in the middle that appears the belt of the hunter, and remaining arranged in the form of quadrilateral. Look at this. Majorly they have 8 stars, 1, 2, 3 like a belt, then top 3 like upper part, and bottom 2 like what? They are like the cloth. One more is the Sirius. Sirius is brightest star of the sky, and we are able to you can say identify or recognize Sirius by extending the imaginary line from the middle belt of Orion, that Orion constellation. Got it? So this is also known as a dog star, means it resembles a dog shape. Next is Cassiopeia. It is a constellation found in northern hemisphere and can be located in the sky during the winter season at the beginning of the night. अब नाइट की बिगनिंग कब होती है? अराउंड 6:30 इन विंटर सीजन. तब आप इस स्टार को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पे आपको दैट अर्सा मेजर नहीं मिलेगा, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? अर्सा माइनर. सो the shape of the constellation resembles with a W or a distorted M. Look at this, W. Got it? This constellation is named by queen of Greek named as Cassiopeia. Last is Leo Major, and this Leo Major, look at this. This Leo Major consists of several bright stars, and that is why we are able to easily recognize it. It can be viewed from northern hemisphere, January to June, from northern hemisphere as well as southern hemisphere, summers and autumns. This Leo appears upside down from the southern hemisphere. So it is one of the oldest constellation that were recognized among ऑलमोस्ट 6000 years ago. पहले कितने ज्ञाता लोग थे और वो उन लोगों ने क्या किया, हम लोगों को ये कॉन्स्टलेशन बताया. दिस कॉन्स्टलेशन सिग्निफाइज द एडवेंचर ऑफ हरक्यूलिस. गॉट इट? हरक्यूलिस एक वॉरियर था एंड इसी पे हमारा हरक्यूलिस विमान जो है फ्लाइट, उसका भी नाम रखा गया है. सो बिकॉज adventure relates to this constellation, that's why it signifies the adventure of Hercules. Got it? So students, that's all for today. We are going to discuss our next topic in our next video, so stay tuned and updated. Thank you.